Hi there, it's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video I'm going to be talking about BuddyBoss and what are some of the best add-on plugins to increase what it can do, its functionality. It's an important subject, got a great list here. I'm sure you're going to get some great value from this video. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you're looking at BuddyBoss and you're looking at increasing its power and its functionality. And you do that with either internal add-ons that come from BuddyBoss or external third-party providers. And this is the great thing with BuddyBoss being based on WordPress. You get the maximum ownership on your online community membership website. You get the flexibility that if you're looking to change some key layout or functionality, you can do it. And you can provide the best experience for your community or for your membership. And like I say, I can't under stress the importance of ownership. There's nothing worse in finding that you've just leased your platform and you don't really own something that you've spent an enormous amount of time and effort on building. And you get that kind of level of ownership with BuddyBoss. Now, I've written an article that goes into this in a lot more detail, but in this video, I'm going to go through some of the main things that you got to know when it comes to add-ons. Now, number one, most people, but not exclusively, want to combine community with membership, and they looking to achieve that with BuddyBoss. And about 6 months ago, BuddyBoss was sold to a much larger provider in the WordPress space, and they've got a membership add-on plugin called BuddyPress. And since they've bought the business, they've been pushing combining BuddyBoss with BuddyPress. I would strongly advise you not to do that. I would look at buying a learning management system plugin to combine with BuddyBoss, and I would look at either LearnDash or Lifter LMS to do that. I think a lot of people either will work for you, great, and I think if you go with LearnDash with BuddyBoss, you've also got to buy another add-on to allow you to take subscriptions. And the one I would go for is SureMember, because SureMember works with another plugin, not kind of a plugin, but also a service called Shortcut. And this will enable you to have a lot of power to have a one-page shopping cart environment with upsells, downsells, all the things that you're looking from a modern shopping cart system connected to membership. It will cover all your needs. And those needs will grow as your experience and your membership grows. So this is the setup that I recommend. BuddyBoss, LearnDash, SureMember, SureCart. It really will cover almost 90% of anything that you probably want to do. And then if there is something it can't do, you can look at SureMember working with WooCommerce. So you're really covering everything very effectively. So there's some of the key add-ons that you should be looking at. Another one which is really important, what is going to be the website builder, the page builder, the landing page builder, all the things that you're going to need to build out a successful community membership focused website at the end of 2024 and at the beginning of 2025. You have these requirements. What is the page builder that can do all this? Now, traditionally, BuddyBoss has really recommended Animator for this. And it works fine, and we used to recommend it, and we still have a lot of clients still on it. But technology moves forward, and now we have an inbuilt technology at the core of WordPress called Gutenberg. And there's a number of third parties that have built on top of this technology and expanded its flexibility. And one of those players is Cadence WP. And they've built one of the most powerful, flexible website page and landing page builders in the WordPress system, in my opinion. And the other great factor comes from the same company that produces LearnDash. So they make sure the two things really work closely. And you're going to, by utilizing Cadence WP, you're going to get a much faster loading website. Because one of the factors you've got to keep in mind that BuddyBoss is fantastic and with LearnDash, but as your membership grows, it is resource hungry, very resource hungry. And then if you combine Animator to the mix, you really do get a bit of a beast when it comes to resources of the hosting provider. Now, if you're using something like Cadence WP, these requirements go down a little bit and you just get the benefit of much more snappier loading and a better experience for your community and for people thinking of signing up for your community. And Google puts a lot of emphasis on speed of loading when it comes to SEO. Another one is if you're looking at some degree of gamification in the learning experience, there's a great free plugin for that. And there's also a host of what I call micro third-party add-on plugins that enable you to customize and increase the power of the core of BuddyBoss. I've done an extensive list of these micro plugins, as I call them, and you find you find the link to that article that lists about 17 to 20 of all these add-ons, and you find that in the video description underneath this video. Another one you've got to consider is marketing automation. It's really important when it comes to BuddyBoss linked to LearnDash that you be able to communicate with your existing membership and do modern marketing automation and be able to link it to effective landing pages. Now, the best solution that works with BuddyBoss and LearnDash, in my opinion, is Fluent CRM. It provides a number of templates so you can do a nice weekly or monthly newsletter, and it can do all the marketing automation at or more powerful than something like ActiveCampaign. A lot of people look at something like Keep or some other SaaS providers like ActiveCampaign and ClickFunnels. There's a number of them there, but you can do everything I've suggested with Fluent CRM. That's a great solution. And if you really are, but you're committed to look at a SaaS system like Keep, like ActiveCampaign, if you're looking at that, another plugin that will enable your BuddyBoss Learn Dash to work with this third-party SaaS marketing platform is WP Fusion. Um, if you're looking at using Fluent CRM, you're probably not going to need WP Fusion. It just depends. I could go on. Like I say, I've written an article, lists all this in a lot more detail. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and think about subscribing to the channel. That really encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.